Gadyan. Short number. 2 points. Michael Gadyan. Ano pa tawag na? Official timeout. Good po, good po. Substitution, substitution. Norte out, Asombrado in. To Segi. Segi. Pass to Peligro. Peligro short number. Lagi, rebound ball. Rebound ball. Rebound ball, Neri. Neri. Neri position. Neri. Neri pass to Basmayor. Basmayor. Pagandang. Advance ball stays with Bulacan. 12 seconds to shoot. 12 seconds. Neri. Pass to Catalino. Catalino. 84-70 the injury. Lagi dito by Catalino. Catalino pushing. Catalino. Catalino. Lagi dito by Peligro. Pass to Segi. Pass to Padre. Grabe nito ang license ang sabi ni Pastor Arzen. Shoutout ko rin pala ang kanya Honey Monte. Sa masarap na honey. Masustansya kay Benedicts. Honey Monte na. PM lang sa page mga bro. Basmayor. 15 seconds to shoot. Basmayor taking green. Patrick Basmayor. 84-73 favor of Hayal. Number 23, Logi. Di pa ba number 20? Neri. Di pa ba Neri? Pass to Basmayor. Basmayor pass to and it bounce. Ball goes to Hayal. 5 minutes exactly of the third quarter. Taking green. Target. Di ba mo Basmayor? Basmayor. Pass to Catalino. Catalino pushing. Catalino. Intercepted out of bounds. Ball stays with Bulacan. Welcome to the fishing game. Force is a power game 1 is here. Segi all alone. 2 points. Joshua Segi. Pass to Tones taking 3. Number 19. Tones. To Padre. 2 points. Padre. Standby for substitution. Standby for substitution. Neri, pass to Gadyan. Pass to Tones, another 3. Lagi, hindi mo ba? Catalino. Timon. Good. Catalino. To Segi. Segi. Jose Guroso tutupay ko Segi. Wow, substitution rep. Substitution rep. Substitution rep. Norte in. Ahero out. Ahero. Ahero. Meron siya. Meron ba po? Pasir gas pa. Lusur Padre. Papa jersey number 21. Yes, Catalino. First personal foul. Second team foul of Bulatimos. Shooting bonus free throw. Consur Padre. Converted. And 1. Tones, taking 3. Lagi, di ba by Gadyan? Lagi, di ba na by Harry? Harry, tuwa, by Santiago. Di ba by? Di ba? Catalino. 3 minutes and 20 seconds. third quarter. Narte. Narte passes sa Asombrado. Asombrado. To Narte. Nice decision. Pelino taking three. Nagiro 3-5. Good job. Out of bounds. Ball goes to Hayan. Shaggy, shoot jumper. Nagiro 3-5. Good job again. Good job. Pass to Tones. Pass to the third timeout. Player po, may nakaupo po dyan. Timeout po ba? Yung magta-timeout po, player, lapit po dito. Player po lang ay lapit po bago sa timeout. Player lang ay. Wow!